Thank you, Tony. Hear me, pa. Now, answer na me start here free. Zoomlion. My first word that me can't change. I'm also say Basintali.
Basintali.
Yeah. You should shut up and focus on the work. No it's a comedian style of campaigning all the year. You know.
Sir.
Now he's mature. He's not campaigning. He's not on the campaign train. He's in the office. You should shut up. And you but he doesn't know what he's doing.
So who contract in
this? No person. Maming answer na me question. Akokwa. Just 2012 to 2016 ebano. Me am 1,005. Now Zoomlion just 600. No your NDC time. No kind.
Yeah, one more say
1,005. Your friend say 150.
150 Ghana.
No, more 150. Now Zoomlion just 600 or 6 something. Forensic audit number or start here 2016 and now 2012. What is he talking about? I told him we a young guy. Ya dear me and support too. Time I know more 1.5. 150 no. And then okay. Gaba class sound clear. The away and Okuma workers, but you are doing politics out of it. As if as a party behind yenye. 2012 to 2016, near 1.5. It is this 2016 up to this time, and they call 2.5. Now, 1.5 no. What is our document no? Masa sa hypocrisy na mepe. I like him when he was campaigning, but this is office. Office I'll bear facts and figures. Man may a campaign 7 no. Onye din. So person audit beyond starting from 2012. I will agree with him. Time I know 1.5 no card. Why in it ya? Is it not the same NDC? Now you better office I know for OB people. All papers in a way. Fred Jasper Nebusan said 2014 near comparison. Fatu 2016 to 2024. You should shut up. No onye din. I go secondly. Pay no so the man, is it wrong or right? Me pato minimum wage. Eugene Brahaba Buame. Minimum wage what Ghana is saying. 18 point something. Me must square 19. Divide the 18 by
today I'm funny 20.
Na per hour. Ghana per hour. Lebra ye Juma. Only more than 3 cities.
8 hours. Until funny say 20 cities grand or 8 hours a day, which is expected. 8 hours. It's hour be 2.2 city 50. 2 cities 50.
Must go 2 cities 50 pesos. Can you pay 3 hours? Go 2 million. Ghana buy also assistant in your money. Why do you blame the man? Obi 3 hours. Now compare per hour. Now the calculator. What is your
80 enka 3 hours a day no 7 cedi 50 pesos
4 times
a month no
27 working days
a month no
for kwa with your calculation
yenyi to ni holiday grant
what are you talking about
money 30 days now or 225 cedi
what is Sunday in account meanwhile they don't work on Sundays
only off bia
konya saying
225 Ghana.
It is a minimum. Papa na man 250. Ghana buying a assistant and answer wine assistant. Mommy and Kanukra. Minia, a friend say. Where Casos say. On one air logistics. Who are buying Kaba semi the way in amount. Yajuma. Now man I to uniform channel. What on Papua channel. What on tricycle channel. What on baller car. At your form. What on fuel. Asisa baller. Now so man is saying.
But who assembly now who ejuma no said yesi kono. The banti bi ay mo montade. Maybe
so dia meba ma mi wie da bi am free buy na make. The ambassador be chance. Yenya very careful.
Right.
E to da me anya politics e wo niomam. And your man no check it the minimum wage no yatum. Any the calculation we. Shani enko so nya. But he's giving them 2.5. Meanwhile, you cry at about 0.4 and I can be out. It is Zoomlion on the Ghana government who's cheating these workers. Me, I am a personal manager and human resource in a company. So I know hours, working days, they mark everything. It's a moment in interest say government, private entity is so man. at least with the 2.5 a day yen for your friends government no you the 1 cedi there 1% account oh nya no say be condemn dear minia Jimmy your friends Diana Rev Gabi Oche adia wo kan ya me de pa ya baby cause say bibi ti say appeal minia wo ya adwuma ne o ma ekoso but workers ni pay no yenya ni bibi na nke yenyina yenya den yendwen ho ba so ba bontia be condemn as if say mapa no ade o ye obu obi oni NDC for na bu homo oni MPP na bu homo. It is this two administration and woman na waki assistant performer momi yanka no kra me life no kra nampe don't me can't say where you say enunti papa no and adjustment and hwan Omo now officer from Justin Kodua to Omo Makano. Why they say me the 1% account? Sir, on this time, why na ba kukro wan kodam na nyo. Dia na kodam no. Nya why ho ya. Nya no bi kodam ho. Na wo waja we ho san ba betena be kase. Papa no attacking adwuma no. Eh?
But say ideally, since
let's negotiate. I do agree.
He say proposal on the cry for
he is fighting for me maminum because maminum yebi. I do agree, but you should not condemn the man's business. That is my point. Let's fight for them. But don't condemn the man's job. An investment be money ma. I don't know, local ones no, bugu, na mo condemn them. Master, you should shut up. Onye ni here, on fret papa and trance. Hey, what do you to China? Where on official? Eugene Akai, it is alleged. Somebody for you know, no did the free papa no. Mo campaign sika, e bo say na nkwaje ho. You free. They should shut up. Ni onko ni here so. Unim sika o tuama MPs num binibi. It is alleged. Esa ni ewom na akwesi prat ya buzanza allege on the shower here we ko do jan to abetra buzanza on the allege ni shower here mimi dia me kabia mami ye Zoomlion oh madini sikada Infancy oh madini sikada
o de na bia
ami dia anya contract betem ne me kwa akra bia me fa no. But some of me can the realistic about it. Dear woman, the American and Ukraine and Ukraine. 80 man per hour for a worker in Ghana. Why are there per hour? A buying a minimum wage. I'm not speaking out of a yo. Me saying you are buying it yaba. The parliament approval. Or more be per 3 hours. No money 8 cities. Why are there? It's buntum. I buy 2 man. So if only within the minimum wage, move on to quarter. And yes, I am money in transit, not morally. Massa, Sikane, a toda, near Yan say, obese and Tianica 8 months. But in Taliban, who was at Papa near Tianica, this day. Zoomlion government in the Kabul 1 year. Now, won't you obey to our Keska? Answer some near funny throw, near Ka, Yamfana fear. So call your Tianica won't you our Kesani and Naku. Yana Yakubio, I'm original manager, and then 4 days, I'm in a sham giddy okay me. But Oka, no crowd, Sunuaka Biamano. Yamatna big platform to say, Nabas in telling Tra office, and Kaso Bima 2.5 OCC, Abrauta 1.5. What are you talking about? Mini I am called a so. Naminia a can a Juma Zube, no crowd yadi. And no, it's Subiti. Koyo. Obona bazwasi kwa yo na aka esa tregana aka no mudi watem amemba minka bi ma wo kanu mu bo abaso dia no trega o betwa bo ya ba no kroma da ho me kana wo ka awesa now the free adumba o de be 3 or 7 minutes by it's real answer that o kasa unfortunately if you say kasa na nko yekra no nanka some of the pressmen no pediashim nanka iron me I don't do my things like that the no kra na make I say where didn't you condemn but act no you right here ya gin da bia ya gin omo moton ade but ya gin pedestrian walkway for no pedestrians ya nye omo hwe ya di obi phone because wabo obi ni omo agu minim ni omo ekoso ya sizu obi a okọ hospital ne bag a okore ne ba hospital card ni sika wom because we sure been told agu ya dwen wo mom ton yoma ya dwen wo twam wo nya asem we are always thinking about mom ton ade ye nto aba no mom twam ni no mom ton aba hinom na doso so am ka so mom nto aba wo be den but because of who omo woni mama ni ato omo woni ma asem ato omo ntine why sit me you be so am on the phone at top form ni a sika force. Is that the way I was here? Enti anu de why are there ba ni nyina chi no so baby I was here no so you say process koso he's meeting the stakeholders. That is our point. How do you want to get here? Anu de me ni anu pa no ba kwajo me try record ya me obi anse no wa nya me no be kun wo de opa unya me mame which say I am the highest and friend is saying opposition leader in Ghana 32 years we got 33 me expert ungo opposition da bedi machi me ya unse ne kom do aye didi ye tete ne oma hunu gare hono but they rich gare rich me so opposition me party kofo ba manunti e reject me na kufu ado ba manunti ni nyina me tim me are better off say homo makwaba and then we need 1 month a common started DB list remember who opposition that we didn't fufu enti zuba ya de ba esre no zuba we want to help you but say do our authority in the empty ase mi ba e wa mendi solo mi tv adwuma of from and the next
enko thank you to
minia thank you to enye thank you to ye koye campaign about me so my den baby is straight na Kennedy Agyapong anye fast minia nsafo anye fast. They were trying to bring them in so that they will commit them not to create unity. If you don't understand maza me one of the young guys 1992 me bo poster man na duah my friend says Dr. Safodu ono ti anwo o contest TV 92 on beko primaries no niti me born posters 91 me nim party nim si omo mi na ye wi anye ya wen 93 na Mrs. Dechi woni Mrs. Dechi former MC to Gabin yasa ejoso Gabin I be fa me call for camp no so tia then no na enzo Ashanti Regional Women's Organizer ba no tia hojo and o pick me free Safodu no de me call kofo or the Biwa Kufuana Doctor and Pekeme. It be one of the young guys, ye 10 year free a 2 Zoom box to transparent near Pen Kola, my dear Mutibi because and ye is say Jerry election, Koye agent. Uma me ma unko. Ben Kola near to a 20 to me throw to me Kaikakra. Ye Koya say in Prempe College. And I became a pooling agent for Honjo Clinic ever since. Party mi nimusi ni pa bibiri. Regional chairman ni executive so bien wo nimusi me. And I was trained by one of the legends in MPP, Dr. Nane. Nothing about me the adoje me. It be the politics asipa. Oma amde ba omi akọ na no munim so belusu. That was the plan. Kojo ambe kan bi. So munim so belusu but om sa de ni be kopiem. That was the agenda of chairman say na no munim. Oma nim se ba omi belusu. Ba olusu esade eno anu omo hihye no. Eti Kennedy Agyapong na anye fast. Mini ade to nchen a. Hwe. Se party ani abrepa, thank you to. Unimbre start Professor Duah.
Yeah.
Na start thank you to. At the end thank you to. O guys omo throw the stolen verdict. Because that time MPPG to say election dey ya winning. Abane dia mu yeden motoi. Na mom jaria yeden awia yen. That was the thank you talk. Agogo awokai. Almost say abano moto ye. Ya winning. Nanso jare di tuo any soldier abana je friensem. Etmo ya de, mo ya mafama de. That was the thank you talk. Now be we from a yiba 53 point something to 37 say me ko thank you talk. One ko apologize to what where some owusu ama delegates abama for voters bofu. Mo ameka bi. Thank you on what sense? Thank you, Saturday.
Now, say 2012, Ekufuado Lucy, he also went
49.7.
But Lucy, thank you, Joe.
49.7. Catch me.
And it will have percentage.
Now the battle way disaster.
Now every lose be lose, or this lose be much will lose.
Wait. Hey, Maza. Quite apart from that, yeah, go thank you to.
Okay.
Now when you be to say Abronye. Oko thank you to. Me to my own political analysis, no, and some of the from chairman to the candidate, former aspirant. I'm gonna share the boss of me can't Kennedy Agyapong.
Ah,
yes.
Were you there?
For my own political analysis, I mean,
my
dreams, let me, baby, my politics, I do. Me chef face, that chairman, the tour. First, and a president, the tour. The way I know situation and when you could draw no, I'm planning with them. Margin.
Okay.
It's no a bold. The other be no a courage yourself. Intimidate them. AC. Either than that, could be a tin which or politics and here. Kennedy Kassan, Unzo Biba knowledge, maturity. Everyone know Jina, Baomiani. National chairman, Penifona ho, Ubia happy. As a politics, me and can grow, near enemy. And Omaya no them. And what they babon here, Nana Kwesiajima Wunim. Also, poor man, Kumasi, Ghana and Zemina, Kumasi, and you know. You cannot pass Tibia and not Anajo. When said before, it's answer Kumasi as a cananajo, and Opaya Manebo. Yeah, Nana Kwesiajima, a foot of the mammy to me, not. Mimi chamber before pa me na compensate Kumasi as me can be mindim the obe kan dia to me so me me hu ni ode be to me so ana minim ni ebeba to say me wen say before na mbobo no na ba me nya biaka it was totally planned.
Okay,
see on me condemn Kennedy Agyapong imagine.
Okay,
the American so tie hwe ba bia ogina ni ba bia o kasa.
No, but stage no dear.
Kennedy Agyapong hwe baby ana quality a wo sori heden e ba ne nchen. Normally panyin kasa na o break o kasa bo okro choroma. Want me anya bi. Mama we. Obi ayama na 11 seat. As regional chairman, yenya 1 seat. Mu entertain we so man public eyi mane kasa. Nanya party na egu na tie a we nka me achia nipa dudu nkra wo se we wo kasa bi
o se o be organize ehiafo e wo constituency bi Abronye
why no no ya bia ya man ya mean say so me Kennedy.
Oh sir.
Well, okay, me now I am not speaking for Kennedy, but I am speaking as a social politician within the MPP. Now me Kennedy a from this town from ya me namu e to left America.
This is what bro.
Obi am frame me me elephant butterfly osro kakra frafran to kakra ala ndi onzem penase.
All right.
Enti se party way ejina no so a Abronye nko ni kwa so kasada wasanya platform abetina radio bi so obi am on 11 seat one my 1 seat omo pa ma me no 1 on 1 wo fidie so no ma dim samunu a opa ye invite no kwadwo mo fra mo so poma me pa 1 on 1 Nianka party ko si sabi se hunu okeka na obi anka hwenkyere no na nka sabi asama ba ene wadwumu da ho ana ya matured leader ka de ta sa betre radio so di panyin atem mo so so
right
when someone say koso and you call it thank you to unity to call us again o man na divide the party no cracks no o mo man na more cracks ni ye more na me de catch o mo say Yantram obia kodidi panyin bi atem. O kan it here bekan. I am not speaking for anybody. Me condemn. Asema Kennedy kan totally. Komi so me yani. U Kennedy yan asema u kan me number 1. MPP here for yi. Na nya bia ni.
Is Abronye so obeboa mu nyina no na.
No yani biem.
Why?
Ono yani biem.
So kaka.
Odi amra ne enkyere no time no nya Abronye ene ne oya Abronye ne amusa na adwuma a woye pay a woje ene Agyapade a oye na Ghana a serious contract ye nchewo
Abronye
oye adwuma ben je ne wanya ene se bi na solo no omni president Queen president in properties akọ ministers and families me fama solo aden ye busam president in properties akọ Who a minister for the Basiga me farmer? Because on Pesach Rebecca Nihonia.
Mate.
Engineer sense, we will not allow anybody. Abronye no bien so no.
Right.
No one me obi a mean say no. Yet to come Abronye bedidi Josoye na temo akoy. Say Akufo-Addo amane bribe. Already. Be cancer munu na ya election koka. Ya mean say send wo me. Because what to be free puno medin se munu okumase na unko. Wo bibi ya yan puno. O make attempt you meet him squarely. Obi answer no.
Abronye.
Oya wine. Omna ya teno. Open your person ye biano. Radio bias mama no 1-on-1. Unto me the amode me kwa jiza man police for me answer. Yes we omba bomi. O ma mi. O me ode. Mo ma mi police bi answer dia amako.
Obo my and o tell the guy.
How do o man police amako.
All right. Obo ma enye nkwa ho ma so me na CP.